Okay, hello everyone. So today I'm going to be doing some plots on the ground here. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. And accompanying my journey today is my dog, and he's run off. But let's go see what I got. Okay, so this is how I've set up my my first plot right here. So these sticks are hockey sticks are about 1 meter long, and the reason why the blades are cut off is because my mom was using them for gardening. So this is it. So this is what my plots are going to look like. So here's the first one. I'm going to analyze this one, and then we're going to move on to the next. So here's my next plot, and now this one I built. It's kind of near this little stream right here, and it's kind of hard to see. It looks more like a puddle, but really, it runs all the way down from the top there, and it kind of comes out a little bit there, and it runs down into that creek over down there. You can see down there's a few logs across it as a makeshift bridge. Yeah, here we go. So we managed to sneak in that last fern right there, the Reebok, and so this is plot number 2. All right, so it's coming down good and hard in here. The rain's sure up at it. So this is my next plot right here, and so I did one near a little bit of a kind of little stream, and not quite. I did one up over by the fence there, just across from the pond, and now this one is going to be kind of in a little bit of a forest area right here. So it's a flat spot. I do know what that is, and that is a stinging nettle. So kind of why the sticks are kind of placed haphazardly all over the place. It's kind of in the name, you don't want to touch the stinging nettle. Top of that, I think we got some brambles here, a lot of dead leaves and stuff, and just outside there's 3 trees right here. Yeah, let's move on to the next plot. This is my next plot, and I got a fern here, and I got some neat looking little flowers you usually see around this time of year. Something with thorns on it down there, some prickles, and a lot of grass there. And no, I didn't wear all this out here. It was already like that when I came by, but figured I wanted to get the fern in there and those little flowers. And there's another little plant right in front there with those round leaves. It's gonna look like a spade, and yeah, and I got more stinging nettles, and got a dog. He's excited because we're going to the creek next. Is that right, Farley? Okay, so this is our next plot here, just kind of on the footpath here, and there's some moss growing there, grass, and we got these roots here. And I was fortunate to spot this little guy right here. Let me get him for you. There he is. Awesome. So we got our first. I think our first insect this time, or bug. Sorry, not quite sure what exactly its name is. I guess you could say centipede. There he is. Some cool colors on him. It matches that hockey stick right there. But let's focus back on him. He's just minding his business, so I was able to set this up, and here he is. Oh, there's Farley. He's absolutely ecstatic to be in the water right now, even though it's raining. You get a drink there, buddy? Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna continue heading up here, and we'll see if we can find a nice little place to plot out and take a look at. So let's get to it, right, Farty? Well, unfortunately, this cedar tree here is a little bit too big to plot. But yeah, what a nice creek. That's why you wear your boots. Okay, so I'm down by the creek here. Now thankfully there's a little trail that goes around, so I was able to get by this fallen tree right here. And over here, you got all this clay and stuff right here. I think that's what it is. Look at that. There's little spots over there. I'm gonna keep walking and see if we can find a good place to plot out here. And Farley's gonna help me do that. Okay, so it looks like our day's brightened up here. A little bit of sunshine coming through. Farley's found himself a stick, and I found another plot right here. And this time, we're right by the creek right here. I am standing in it with my boots. And I walked up here, and my boots almost let some water in a few times, but we're still pretty much dry. And this is my newest plot, so let's go check it out. Okay, so I think I got an alder tree in here. I think that's what this is. And I got a few more little plants, some that I've seen before, and I got a lot of moss in here and some grass. So more moss than grass in this one. The water's a bit murky and there's a bit of reflection there, so it's kind of hard to see, but I'm trying to look for some fish right now. There, actually, is a little, we call them skeeter bugs, and they just skid along across the water. Oh, there it goes. That guy right there. We haven't gotten a lot of insects or moving things that we can see, so I'm going to video this guy a little bit. Okay, so I think I'm done now with the plotting and my plots. Originally it started off quite wet, and now it's turned into some nice sunshine. So maybe I should have started an hour later, but we got it done. So we're heading back home, and the dog really enjoyed himself in the creek. That's pretty much it.